Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add preferred languages to your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Scroll down. In the Language Info section, click on Preferred Language. Now click on Add a Language. Use the scroller to find your favorite language. Once you find your favorite language, click on it. Now click the Add Language button. Click Done to close the dialog box. Similarly, you can add more languages to your preferred language. From now on, Outlook mails you receive in these languages won't be translated to English. This is how you can add preferred languages to your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.